Hello guys, good morning all of you. Welcome to in this video. Today we will discuss about regarding for the business automation platform. This is a platform is a regarding sales automation, marketing automation, support automation, and staff productivity management. If I talk about your day business automation, so this is a product and this is a platform which is which can help you of your business to bring to the next level and grow your sales, better customer service, as well productive your staff, track or monitor your staff inside or field, so that you can run your business smoothly without any headache or without your manual effort, and as well you can reduce your human dependency. So guys, in the last video I discussed a little bit about that, so we'll reveal the all features of and how it works and what is the modules this software have the all features which is related to your day-to-day pain areas and day-to-day activity. Because of you, if you are into any business, no matter about that, you are into retail, you are into manufacturer, you are the real estate broker, or maybe the builder, you are as a consultant, you are the wholesaler, traders, every business is run over your sales, because everybody's do the sales, because without sales nobody can generate the profits and losses and generate the much of revenue to run their business, and they cannot able to flow their cash, make their flow in a better way. So today we'll discuss and reveal the all features and tool and tactics which this software have all, which can be implemented in your day-to-day sales, to take your sales, to take your service, to take your customer support, to take your staff productivity. Yes, so let's start from the marketing. Actually, if I talk about your business model, you are into the real estate, you are into the for example, you are running the education consultancy and institute. So if I talk about to everybody follow the cycle, follow the step to bring a conversion and to bring the customer. Let's example have, if you have for example, you are running a manufacturing and distribution ship, right? I need to take any product, so you need a customer first, and then you need to propose your proposal and your product script explanation, you need to do that, and then you have to communicate and follow them and bring the customer conversion, and then start your service. But in all era, in the all history, your team is responsible to all, because that single person cannot be say ki this is a businessman, this is a shopkeeper on the self-employment, right? If you have a company, it means that you have some people who are helping you to generate the result, to bring a better result and reduce your company liabilities. Am I right? So guys, very important part, very is initial part. If I say, so if you start up, if you are the established business, you always generate a new customer. Yes, and the very interesting part is that this software have a not only generate the new customer, but also you can retain your existing customer to generate your repeat order and repeat business automated. There is no manual task, this task can be done automated. So as you're looking, this is a marketing mean that, so where you're looking some features. First feature is a digital identity. So this software to have the option to build your own digital presence. If I go in this era, in this scenario, and now the time of the automation and data science, AI, so there is no point to, you need to left out without customer, without your presence and without your internet presence, how customer will find to you to purchase your product or maybe recognize your brand. So there is no point, and there is it doesn't make sense. See how you can run your business without any digital presence. So this software is helping you to build your own drag and drop based digital identity, like might be you can say in the short language, there's a website or maybe your landing page where you can see and showcase your product. There's a fantastic way we have given that it can be generated and maybe designed by yourself, or might be help out to the software consultancy. They can help out to you build your presence, and there is no required any hosting. There is no any need to pay the extra cost for that. You can design on your own. Yes, this would be the great features. If I talk about, just click on that. If just click on that, you are looking some already landing page or created, or might be the digital presence. Just need to click on the plus icon and create and put your any name, the new 1 2 3 for example. Just click on that. Okay, this is already generated. Okay, just take in this example and just click on the save button. So that is very simple, because it's a play the role, look like your website. You can maintain your like a keyword better description for the make your SEO of your website to research in your local area by your user. Yes, if they find you on the behalf of, because if they go to the Google and put any keyword regarding any searches of product and services, if you are available in this area, so they will find your website. Okay, and connect your website and give you the conversion. Okay, so let's come on that. For example, just create and the add it, that is called the microsite. So this is a backend where you can put your all information about your business, like your logo, your some images of product, your experience, customer testimonial. So this is called a drag and drop and CMS paste, right? Like you have to put a grid system is a column, we can say, and the section as a according to the size you can take. For example, I'm taking this 6 by 6 column and put my elements, any like put a image. One is a image and second is a logo. This is my logo of company. So guys, I'm not going to the in detail, I'm just giving the idea. I'll discuss in the later video, so in the detail. So this is my purpose to tell you. So this is a landing page, might be the single microsite we can create for to build your digital presence, so that your users and your audience can search you in your local area and give you the business, right? So this software has a very fantastic way to build your, first of all, landing page or maybe a digital presence. And again is a promotion. If you are a established business, so I'm sure that you have your customer records, your customer database. Your database is the backbone of a business, so you can send your directly to any marketing, like from bulk SMS, email, voice, and digital ads like Facebook ad, Google ad, all. So you'll be able to do that all activity from here and send to your custom offer and coupon, and generate your sales instant. So people get to know about your brand, your product and services, and current your offer, what you're giving them. Yes, this is a fantastic activity. So everybody and every brands do this activity, right? So this is a promotion you can do. You can integrate your email and workflow. You can design your workflow. I'll talk about the later, because this is a related to your database, because it works on your database. So this is a email integration. You can integration your email, so in which you can do what you are doing on your Gmail free account or maybe the domain account. So this is a features, and we are giving this facility to integrate your direct Gmail account here to communicate directly from this software or according your database what you have, right? So this is a mean that you can integrate your email As well, you can decide your engagement center, mean that you can set your engagement according your customer, what you do every day, or might be the uh, like if you put your database in your CRM, so any events your system will identify and do the any conversation. It means that the engagement would be done automatically, right? For example, this is a, if you enter your leads in your CRM, for example, and just you have decided a content, if you any your team member might be, you get the lead automated manual, you are putting data by actual uploading, so this activity will be captured by system and send the any customer message, email, voice and WhatsApp. So guys, these things can be done, mean that you are engaging a customer according their legitimate area to generate the very instant, we can say very instant response and very instant your sales. So that's the fantastic way if we find that. And the next thing is that workflow decided to your condition to according to the events. If any events happen, so you can design your workflow and next events will be done over that to reduce your manual effort, as well to make your process automate. That is called workflow. And the marketing sequence mean that we'll discuss about in the detail, but I tell you some brief and some overview. Marketing automation, same thing. Because of we are giving the all omni-channel like SMS, email, voice and WhatsApp. So once you start your campaign, so if anybody open your email, so what you do, you can decide your any marketing sequence. If anybody open your email, so any kind of email again should be generated and sent to that customer particularly. As well, if I talk about the WhatsApp API, so what in the WhatsApp API, so I am going to tell you about the WhatsApp API. So WhatsApp is a meta verified version where you can do the broadcast, your scheduling broadcast according you, and build your chatbot. But before to chatbot, if you want to start a broadcast, so you have to create a template, as you can generate in your SMS and email. So meta without your template approved you cannot send your broadcast. So keep in your mind, because of the meta verified is a green tick WhatsApp, so the verified platform, there's a various benefits and benefits from the meta, because the paid version is there, the all conversation will be chargeable according to the window charge. So meta takes a window charge. Window, it means that 24 hours duration, that is called window. In between you can do the conversation with your party, with your candidate, if your customer. So in between you can do the all unlimited conversation. Meta will take only the charge accordingly your duration. It depends on your type of conversation. The type of conversation, if I tell about we tell you about the like if you're choosing your content marketing, like you're choosing content like testing, or maybe the OTP authentication message, right? Or maybe the reminder, any kind of, that is not you are doing marketing, only the just you are sending the content regarding any authentication or regarding of the trial. So it means that text only. Yes, so we are going to discuss about two marketing templates, so you can create from here. For example, just click on that. So meta will take charge if you are choosing the marketing category, that will be 82 paisa according to the India. But if you are sending it in out of country, so that charge will be accordingly. So you have to ensure that you have to check out in which country you are sending your SMS or your template of WhatsApp. So accordingly meta will take charge. So marketing mean that 82 paisa accordingly India. So you have to check list of a price list. So just I want to show you the category of your message of type of message of WhatsApp. It means that you can choose any category while the making your content, because of as I told you, the meta will verify your content before to broadcast your message, right? I can choose the type of content like text message only body I want to keep it, or maybe I can keep it as a media and in interactive message. So I can select anyone. Accordingly, I can put my image, my text, my button. So you are looking the header, body and footer. Accordingly, I can put there. So after the creating this bodies of Meta will verify your WhatsApp WhatsApp message what you putting here like approved, right? And then you'll be eligible to the broadcast. For example, you need to go to the broadcast system. First of all, you have to create your content list, contact list, which data you want to send your broadcast. So mean that you will be able to the broadcast if you put your data and engage your customer. There is a fantastic way nowadays. More than 2 billion people are connected with the WhatsApp. There is a conversion ratio is very high, and is the response ratio is also very high. So you'll be getting the better result if you do the conversation on WhatsApp with your customer. So there are fantastic modules we have integrated here. Yes, and the fantastic thing also there, you can engage your team, you can connect your all team at the single WhatsApp number, that is called multi-user access. So you'll be able to track all conversation in between what happening going on in between you and your team member, right? So this is a scenario is a blank. You're looking this blank because of only the inquiry leads. This is a fantastic and the beautiful combination, the CRM and WhatsApp API. Yes, so you'll be able to do all conversation here, right? If I want to see the last 24 hours, there is no any conversation happened, right? There is a blank. That's why the coming is a blank. Otherwise, you will be looking at the all conversation incoming and outgoing, which you are doing, or either your team is doing. So as I told you, the multi-user access is there. So your team and you, if it is the all conversation, will be that this would be like a dashboard, right? So what I was telling you about to the marketing and the WhatsApp as I included, because it's a marketing platform, it is also, and your conversation handling model, right? I hope you'll be getting the all points about to this module: marketing, digital identity, promotion, email integration, engagement center. As I told you, workflow can be designed to make my process, a sales marketing process, any other process automate. Sequence mean that I can decide to do what should be done if I do the marketing, or maybe the any other activity happen over the overall conversation. So we can decide the sequence. So after the one conversation, the another conversation should be done if any response capture and comes from the customer. Okay, either is a coming from the email or coming from the WhatsApp. So because of WhatsApp, you can choose the button like. So if you're choosing the button like not interested, not interested, if you have seen in other WhatsApp and in the other brand WhatsApp, right? So this is the called marketing automation. So how we can utilize this a better way? First of all, I have to understand the sales, because of this all things work on the sales data. Very interesting part we are going to discuss. There is the sales, inquiry, leads, conversion, segment, task, appointment, physical appointment, lead activity, custom events, pipeline deal, follow up, e-shop, pipeline, quotation, invoice, revenue, customer ledger. So first of all, I just want to tell you about the inquiry. I can manage my inquiries, which are new inquiries, which has been created or might be received anywhere. So that is called the inquiry management. And the lead management, after the verify my inquiry, that would come in the lead section. So how to look like, I want to show you. Yes, I was just closing this window. Okay, yes. Oh, so this is a sales. I'm coming again. Or as I told you, the leads, after verify my leads, there is no any other simple way. If I click on the inquiry section, so I just click as well the inquiry section. So I want to show the how can I create my inquiry. You can create your own inquiry, keep your multiple records, Yes, but if I talk about the lead section, you cannot keep multiple records of one customer. So there is no required, there is no possible to do the duplication. So you have to merge the leads if you find the more records of one customer. Okay, so inquiry section and the lead section, you can use the click to call. You can click on click to call option also there and manage your leads properly, right? Conversion, you can manage your conversion. You can do the segment of your database. It means that segment is a very powerful tool to manage or maybe the create your list of a customer according their history and behavior. So you can, and this will give you the idea for what kind of customer audience you can plan the your marketing. For example, you have the 10,000 data, but all are you not buyer still. Some are not interested, some are dead, some are is running on the follow-up, some are already bought your product, purchased your product. So you can decide and plan your marketing according their behavior and history. So segment will help out to you. First of all, create your list according their pattern, and then decide your campaign. Yes, and the task management, you can assign any task without, you don't need to put anything in front of your agent, in front of your team member by manual. You need to create a task management and build a transparency. Appointment management, physical appointment management. Appointment, if you are going to the meeting offline, online, you can manage your appointments. Physical appointments, if you are going to physically. Lead activity, you can see your lead activity, what's happened today or might be the going on last 7 days, last 8 days, 15 days and 1 month. So you can track your all leads activity, what your team done there. And next, if I talk about the custom events, mean that you can connect your any another software to capture and get and post and the push and pull database. So you can create the custom events, that is called pipeline. Very fantastic feature. The pipeline, you can deal to understand your funnel, because of if you are selling any product, so you need to understand. And for example, you are into the real estate, mean that customer will take a time where you have to follow the process. For example, how much opportunity do you have? You need to understand the how many prospect, how many proposal, to whom I have shared quotation accordingly. So I can understand my total funnel, total revenue, and by when I will get. So this is a very good feature that is called a pipeline. So accordingly, I can manage and see my opportunity, how much opportunity I have done and my team already generated, so that I can plan and I can forecast my whole month. So how much revenue I am going to generate. So guys, you will be getting my point. Now I am going to follow up. I can see my all follow up, everyday follow up, because the follow up is very must. If I am not able to understand today how many calls I have to today, so how many customer told me to call today, so I will be, I think, missing my opportunity. My computer will do that. I can manage my e-commerce if I have my product, so I can sell out through by the web e-commerce platform. Pipeline management, quotation creation, invoice creation, invoice revenue creation, customer ledgers. I can check out what is the amount is outstanding over which customer, so I can plan accordingly the reminder and marketing automated, or might be the recovery can be done very fast. So guys, I have already discussed the WhatsApp APIs. WhatsApp API mean that I can, this a meta verified version. So very interesting part to build your and integrate the WhatsApp in your day-to-day communication. Because if I talk about the people are happy the communication over WhatsApp, share each and everything. So it is very good feature. So WhatsApp automation you can do there, and another thing is included that order management, catalog management, and we have given the API which can be integrate your any if you have your existing CRM, WhatsApp website, So you can if anybody generate any, if you generate any bill, so your any kind of WhatsApp also WhatsApp SMS should be go to your customer, right? So API also there, so all documents API there, you can get it integrate with the software with the help of your developer, right? And the next move on another things like a service management mean to after the sales services management to for better experience of customer. If you are into any such kind of business where the services matter after selling a product, so you can manage your all complaints of customer. Either you can do your inside communication with your team and generate the concern. If you have your team sales accounts service, so this ticket management can be used on both way in the inside to better your inside communication as well your customer complaint management. So this is a very fantastic module to help out to your customer get service on time, or maybe the track all activity about your how many complaints we have generated today and to whom closed this complaint. Yes, what was the problem, so this can if anything's happen over there, so you can improve. If you can find the improvement in instant product and service, right? So you can build this into this ticket management on your to manage and generate, or maybe to for better your customer experience, this ticket management. And another moving another things, that is called employee time tracking. Very interesting features, very interesting modules. I always talk about this because of all things depend on your people, because of you have done lots of things, you have done lots of efforts, you have done all lots of for your team, lots of activity for your team, and what is the purpose behind of that, to generate the good revenue to run your company, for better cash flow, as well you are giving the opportunity to your team to generate more revenue as well, more rewards you can share as an incentive if they giving the better productivity, better performance. So how you can make how you can utilize their time, how you can engage them, how you can give the way to your team member, so how they can work. So after the giving the feedback, so how you'll get the report. So this is a productivity manager in which you can monitor those people and those team member who are working on the system, either they are sitting inside the office or outside the office as a remote work. Like there's a work from home culture built after the COVID, so this software will help out to you, your team is showing work or not. So it will give the proper report, their working hours, their ideal time, all. So these are very good features to understand the productivity and activity of your team if they are working on remote or either not remote. So this is called the employee time tracking. You can manage your breaks, you can manage your schedule mean that if the team is going the field, so you can manage the location tracking, check-in, check-out, leave management, expense management, roster mapping, and team chat module as well. If I talk about the team chat module, so you can log in from your software this module from your user ID. So I think you need to log in your password. Just a second. Okay, leave it, we'll understand later. Okay, yes. Okay, this was a lead activity what we were talking about, what I created, like template I created, what was my IP address, what was the time, and by which user it has been done, what was the customer. So you'll get the all report about activity of your team every day, what they does. And the next tool is the IVR, which can be used in India if you are in Dubai or other country or part of the continent any. So accordingly, that is called the VoIP can be integrated there, so you can monitor your all incoming and outgoing calls, because of we are giving to the option that is called the call center setup. So if you have the people, you have the calling team, so you can monitor all conversation over the phone, what happened, what customer conversation done, so this call will be recorded for the internal monitoring purpose. You can track and monitor all conversation for audit purpose, right? There's the IVR system. If I talk about all settings, because if you want to use this software, so you have to do some settings, like your business setting, where you can manage your general like company setting, brand setting, IP restriction. If you don't want to let your team member access your software, because of this software is a subscription based, and it works on the user hierarchy system, on which you can allow to your team member to access from their particular user ID password, so but not allowed to access except your office. So you can put your IP restriction. If they come to the office and log in their account, then you will be able to do login. Otherwise, he will not be able to do that. Right? So that is with the IP restriction. We have given user hierarchy system. You can manage your hierarchy and build your hierarchy system, and territory management you can do as well. And there's a permission, roles and rights parts you can allow to your team member or maybe users. For example, you are the super admin or admin, or there's a number of managers, and under the manager they are the team member. So you can map your rules accordingly, what the features you need to give them to access or not, or maybe you are allowing to them data deletion, editing, or any kind of activity you want to restricted. Yes, you can keep it. There's your rights. These things can be done by the super admin, right? Login status and moreover the user roster. So these things can be done. Location tracking, and the very interesting discussion if I talk about the lead capturing. So this software is giving, this platform is giving, the FA solution is giving to the API through you can capture your data. Suppose that you are into any business, like there is a directory like 19acre, Magicbricks, Sulekha, Yellow Pages, or lots of directories are working out in the country. If I talk about India, there is a Just Dial, India Mart, India Export India, the lots of directory. So business are listed with them to generate the customer, generate the business. So this software is helping the capture all data on the single dashboard and single platform. There's a various integration are there, like you can, if you are generating leads from just social media like Facebook or other Google ads, PPC, YouTube, all. So all scenarios has been created as they has to integrate the all integration to capture information and your customer database automatically. So you don't need to do this activity manual, right? So guys, you got all my points to capture your data. So this system will help you not only reduce the manual effort, as well as your task can be done automated and 24/7, right? So all our API, this as I was telling you, API Trade India can be done integration. And apart of the lots of report setting, Gmail, template, lead score, notification settings, you can set your notification, call routing, agent setting, compliance rules, calendar view, location, execution mapping, all. So these things and these settings can be done before to going use this system and this platform. Yes, so every software is start from the setting, because it recording your map the roles and rights all. And you'll getting the because of after the using, if we start to use this platform, so you'll need to get a report. So what happening, so that you can analyze all things accordingly. Yes, so like inquiry report, sales target, lead report, email report, call report, campaign report. Yes, SMS tracking report, usage, wallet transaction, schedule, call logs, call reports, call detail, follow up, or other reports mean that etc., etc. There's a lots of reports so that you can take your business decision. Mean that there is no point to behind of the report because of your doing lots of activity to take your sales, to take your marketing, to take customer service, to take your productivity of a staff, tracking, calling, task, appointment, and there's a lots of activity you do. So you need to have the report like you are looking this dashboard. So guys, I just describe a little bit about the your dashboard. Yes, so you are looking my dashboards like a leads. It's showing you the leads. Mean that if you are color coding like these 00 records, the 5 records is meant that the total leads or how many you have, and today how many records you have created. It will show you, and this month how many created, not follow up record. This too, our top 10 lead score. So it's very fantastic features as well. It will give the potential customer how many you have still, so it will show you on a dashboard so that you can act fast. And that there's a flavor, there's a splendid feature that is showing to you how many leads you have got from which marketing source. As I told you in the last, this software have to capture your data automatically. So once you put your data in this system, so you have to select your source from which source you got this customer database. So it will show the real marketing ROI so that you can take and understand how much data from which source. So called you can take decision you have to invest the money on this particular marketing source or not. Yes, you'll getting idea all. You can find your inquiry, how many generated, what your conversion in this month, and inquiry. This is a good report, follow-up report, task report, appointment report. So you'll getting understands if we talk about you and your team member. There is no required to do any manual filters. It will give you on your dashboard full flashed and automatically pop up. These all report are clickable. If I found 3 records, I just click. These are overdue leads, and the today mean that how many leads due today, because it's showing me 0 record. Okay, such like a task management, same, how many tasks due today, how many appointments due today, how many follow up due, and by which user. If you are the super admin, so you can understand, and you will see the report of your team, how many leads are pending by which agent. You can give them prior information, or maybe if they don't perform their task every day, so you can just give the example and take a report of your team member, right, accordingly. And if I talk about next thing is that call report. So on your dashboard is coming your incoming, outgoing, and inbound, and other things about the how many calls is missed last 7 days. So you'll be getting the IVRs, which is very useful tool. It manage or control your communication, because of communication is the heart of your business. Support management is creating how many tickets today, 7 days, all mails. Engagement center, how many triggers already you have done on, right, and how many engaging triggers already active, and how many reach today, 7 days, and this month. No matter how many engaging triggers already activated, so on the behalf of that, how many reach has been done. Employee time tracking, pipeline, what is going on pipeline, how many people are interested in your admission, how many meetings have been done. According you are into the finance business, consultancy business, so how many leads you have gone, accordingly pipeline what is going on, right? Yes, so this that pipelines, your web page, web form, landing page, how many active campaign is running, just like look like. So getting the all mean that guys, my saying purpose is that through all your activity and your day-to-day activity, what you have done and what you need to do every day, so it will pop up on your dashboard. So basically this platform have a very fantastic module to manage your sales, manage your customer engagement. Yes, for to generate your better result accordingly, reduce your manual effort and generate your result in a less time. So I hope you'll be getting the idea, some idea how this software and what is the features it has. So how you can take the advantage to implement this automation and bring your business to next level, right? No matter in which country and which specific region you are, you can use this anywhere. This is because of this a cloud base. It has a mobile app, Android, iOS, all, and I'm sure that if you implement this software and platform in your day-to-day process, I'm sure that your sales will grow, your customer satisfaction will grow, as well your staff will be productive. Yes, so thank you for watching this video, guys. We'll meet to next video while talking the detail in every modules. Thank you. Bye bye.